Hi, this video is to help you replace your your shower door sealant if you have one, if it's possible to replace. I went to Home Depot with my Waterguard, and they told me I would have to replace the whole thing. But there was the whole shower assembly. Yes, the glass door and everything else, which is ridiculous. So I went to another. I think another guy stepped in instead to try looking at the door sealants in that section. So I went to the door sealant section and I found a 6-foot curved door sealant, which is this right here. It's not 6 feet anymore because I used a section of it. So this is the curved part right here, the white. Let me see if I can get a better picture of. There, you see? See the little groove right there? Right here where my thumb is. This is going to slide into the door jamb of your shower door, which is going to be the next video. I'm going to show you how to take that off and what it looks like. So I'll be right back. Oh, and it's 6-foot section. You can cut it with a knife. You know, it's not super strong, and as you see, most of it is a hard rubber, so you can cut it with a knife. But I used this, and it was very easy to cut and fast. I think this was $2 at somewhere, but you see, it's just garden clipper. So I'll be right. My next video will be how to remove the door jamb or the shower door jamb from the shower door. Hi, I wanted to do this with the my Sony Nex 5 because it's got auto focusing, but the battery was dead. So with the damn cell phone again. In any case, this is a Phillips screw, and there's 2 of them. Mr. Phillips must be very happy that we're still using his screw type after 400 years. I just cleaned it a little bit too. You'd be surprised how nasty it gets. So these 2 screws. There isn't a third, I believe, because I didn't see one. So it's only 2. And I'll be back in a moment after I remove it. But it's on my shower, it's just these 2 screws. I hate to be specific, but it's just 2 screws, 2 Phillips. So I'll be right back. These are going to come off. The underside is disgusting. So I'll probably I'm going to spend a few minutes cleaning this with some liquid dish detergent and a toothbrush, and then I'll come back to show you the rest. Okay, I gave it a scrub, and here it is. This is the door jamb. And of course, this is the guard. So how did I know how much to cut? I used the whole length of the door jamb. This told me how much to cut because this goes under the door. So that's how I knew how much to cut. And let me see if I can get. It slides in. This is why I didn't do it the first time, but I'll give it a try. See, it slides in. there's a rail. This is the rail, the groove. Let's see if I can get you a better picture. This is why I hate the cell phone, but that's the groove with the kerf, where the kerf goes. So you just, once again, I'm going to try to hold this off the phone, and there it is. So it just slides in. I don't think I can do this with one hand, but yes, okay, there it is. See, it just slides in. And of course, you bolt it back. My house was built in '92, so you can't know what kind of door, what kind of shower door, what kind of screws, what you're dealing with. So the first thing, is to take a look and see what you're dealing with, what kind of screws you have, how many they are, and and such and such. But if you have one like mine, then so far so good with this. What this shower guard door jamb used as a water guard. It's back on, as you see. I usually put the screw in the hole first, and then line it up with the screw hole in the door. So that makes it a little easier to get in, especially if you're one-handed. I guess it's good to take it off from time to time, just to once or twice a year, just to clean the whole thing. It was nasty. I'll probably do a video of how to find the curved door sealant. I think that's what it's called. The next video will explain. Hello. Okay. This is the curved door sealant that I have on my door, which I got from Home Depot. Except the one I have is black. I didn't even know they sell a white one. But here's the curved part right here, and there's the little groove thing that slips into the door jamb, right where the pointer is, right there. So Home Lowe's, Home Depot, notice 447, 7 foot. You probably go through it 3 times and you'll need another one. So that's it. That's my hack for this problem. I hope it works out for you, and good luck. Bye.